Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone Pro Max and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select wallpaper right here and click on add new wallpaper. And now you can either find something in your photo gallery, you can create photo shuffle wallpaper, make some emoji wallpaper, weather wallpaper, astronomy wallpaper or color wallpaper. If you will scroll a bit lower, you will also be able to add some kaleidoscope wallpaper. So let me pick, for example, one from weather and astronomy wallpapers, for example this one. Then you can also customize it, so right here you can switch the options, and right up and on hour or date you can change and customize the font, color, size, and so on, just like this. Here you can switch the information that is displayed, and then tap on add. And you can either set wallpaper pair or you can customize home screen by itself over here, so it can be just the color, some gradient. It can has one from your own photos on the screen. Let me go back, or you can smoothly blur it like this, but I would like to stay with the color. Tap on done then, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and this astronomy wallpaper is on your lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.